Welcome watchers. So this is the 4x4 ride on. I am going to review
आनंद आज हाँ भाई
one motor for the left front wheel, one for the right front, and one for the steering. A big motor for the swing motion, and same as well as front on the wheels. So guys, it is a very good ride on for kids. It's 4x4. It has a lot of ground clearance, and it also comes with the remote control. You can control it with the remote wirelessly. It is 1 year old but working very fine, so it's good to go. You can purchase it under 10k. Thank you.